No time to cook, but need a healthy dinner? I'm Buck August, a dietitian and diabetes educator with Enloe Medical Center, and today I'm here with some tips on ordering in and staying healthy at home. Growing up, ordering in was always pizza. There just weren't a lot of options. But nowadays, ordering in with the help of a trusty cell phone, the sky's the limit. You can order from a wide variety of restaurants and choose, any variety of foods. Some restaurants are a lot easier to make healthy choices at. If you choose somewhere like Chinese food, you're often going to get plenty of vegetables, protein, some starch like white rice. Some places now are offering brown rice. And you can choose something like broccoli, beef, or chicken and vegetables that has a lot of vegetables, leaner proteins, and again, maybe that brown rice to round it out with a healthy carb. If you choose somewhere like Mexican food, it can be tricky because there are a lot of options that have a lot of saturated fat and calories, but there's some other great options too. Regular old tacos with, chicken or some sort of meat, maybe some salsa is great. One of my personal favorites are fajitas, where I'm going to get vegetables, some sort of lean protein like chicken, maybe some guacamole for a healthy fat. And then I'll pick and choose. Sometimes I won't have any tortillas. Sometimes I'll do the corn, and occasionally I'll have the flour tortillas. Somewhere like an Italian restaurant can be a little tricky with the pasta dishes, especially with sauces like Alfredo that are full of saturated fat. But you can always start your meal with a salad. Oftentimes Italian restaurants have nice options for salads. They also often have nice soups that maybe have some beans and vegetables. And then for your pasta dish, you can always, split that with your family or save a portion of it for lunch or for dinner the next night. So when time's short and you need a healthy meal and you're going to order in, remember that you can still make a pretty wholesome choice. At Enloe Medical Center, your health is our top priority. We're here for you. Let's all stay healthy at home together.